This is the Nissan Leaf, first generation. And if you need to jack up this car, it has dedicated points, jack points, marked with two cavities here. So here you need to install the jack to jack up the car. And these places it has near each wheel. So if you need to work with this rear wheel, for example, here is the jack point. The problem is that these cars, they don't have jacks included in a lot of cases, and you will need to buy the jack to have the tool initially to jack up this car. But anyway, if you have the jack, here are the jack points. Be careful and use your parking brake when you're doing this. This is the parking brake, the foot one, and put your vehicle into park when you're doing this. And also find some bricks and block the wheels. For example, if you're working with this wheel, block the diagonally opposite wheel. So this front wheel, block with some bricks, with something that will hold the vehicle in place, whatever happens, because otherwise your car may shake a little bit and fall from the jack. So it will be not pleasant at all. You may damage suspension, you may damage brakes, and of course you may get some injury. So this is not the best scenario, of course.